Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel We Love Computer. In today's video lecture, we are going to study about equal sign in Python. So basically in Python there are two types of equal signs. First one is single equals sign and second one is double equal sign. So these signs have different meanings. Where a single equal sign is used to assign a value to a variable, it is used to store a value in a variable. So the variable is on the left hand side and equal to sign comes in the center, and on the right hand side we type the value. So the value which is on the right hand side gets stored on the left side variable using the equal sign. Then next is double equal sign. We use double equal sign when you want to compare two values. It is used to compare two values. For example, age is a variable. In that age variable I have stored 20. If age equals to 20, print you are 20 years old. So I think from this simple program the concept is clear. Let us briefly recapitulate it. Equal sign in Python, we have two different types of equal sign in Python. Single equal sign. Single equal signs is used to assign a value, or it is used to store data in a variable, whereas double equal sign is used to compare two values. When we would like to compare two values, we can use double equal sign. That's all with the today's topic. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share it. Thanks.